Today we'll be making Japanese pork cutlet. It's quite similar to Wiener Schnitzel, and it's called Tonkatsu or Tonkas. Here's what I used. Since we're going to fry the pork, we just want to make sure we have enough of the ingredients to fully dredge the meat in flour and breadcrumbs. The ginger and minced garlic are optional ingredients. Start by cutting the pork loin in half so it's about 1 inch thick. Make sure to remove any bone that you have. Next, we'll use the spine of our knife or a tenderizer to tenderize the meat. By tenderizing the meat, we are increasing the surface area for frying. Then season both sides with some salt, some black pepper, minced garlic, and ground ginger. Just to note, a little ginger goes a long way. Then crack your eggs in a bowl and mix until homogeneous. We'll spray our breadcrumbs with some water so that they'll be fluffy and crispy at the end. And now we'll dredge the pork in our flour. Then dunk it into our egg bowl. And then dredge in panko breadcrumbs. Fill your pan with a neutral oil and turn your stove on medium heat. If you submerge a wooden chopstick in your oil, you'll know that your oil has heated up enough when you see small bubbles rising. Start frying your pork for about a minute on each side without overcrowding the pan. Then lay it over a cooling rack with a paper towel underneath to collect the dripping oil. Let it cool for about 4 minutes, and then pop them back into the oil for about 40 seconds on each side. Once it's finished, it will be fluffy and crispy. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this dish, and again, as always, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.